Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm walking to the beach right now to look at the fireworks because today is July 1st, Canada Day. July 1st, yeah. And also, yeah, it's also Monday right now, 2024. It is currently 9:06 p.m. right now. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Let's get right on. Yo guys, the fireworks started! Really big. Woo! 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 Big one? I'm gonna zoom in on them.
Do a selfie, man. Do a selfie.
They're making my heart beat.
Yeah, like 30 more minutes. These are expensive fireworks. They're like $10,000 a boom.
That one was really loud.
Yeah.
What? How many dollars? 10,000?
Like $10,000 a boom.
Like, bruh, 10,000. This is so much money that these.
It's a lot of money.
3, 2, 1, big. Yeah, they are really big. And you're really big. Big. Nice. All these fireworks cost $10,000. That's what my mom said. Like $10,000 per room. If I was getting $10,000 per when the fireworks went off, I would be rich by now. I would be a millionaire by now. Or I mean, yeah, $50,000 at least. They are very loud. I'm gonna try and be louder than one of them. It's impossible to be, so I cannot, okay? 3, 2, 1, big, 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 big. This is big, big. Nice. Whoa, whoa, pop, pop. Big. Woo! Yeah. That one was a big one. These are all big, by the way, and loud. That one was really big. Big! Like, they're so cool. Big. These are big. 3, 2, 1, big. Huge one, huge one, huge one. They probably spent $1 million on these.
Yeah.
Or about
Oh,
that.
yeah, $1 billion.
Look at all the smoke. See? Like right there. Right there. See the smoke right around? Woo! Well, there's more. There's more. See? I told you there is more. A lot of these are really loud. Ah! Ah! Big one? Yeah, big. That one was big. I think that was the biggest one. Woo! Woo! These ones are big. Big ones coming. Woo woo! really big fireworks, everybody. Woo! What? Do you see them? They're all flashing.
Yeah.
Those ones are mega expensive, like probably $20,000. Big. Oh, that one was a big one. Oh, big. I feel the wind from them. Woo!
Look at those.
Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Oh, there are more! More! I feel the wind on my face from the fireworks. Woo!
See the wind moving the fireworks.
Huh?
You can see the wind moving the fireworks. Say it was 11 minutes and 15 minutes.
Big ones. Big ones. Woo! I can feel vibrations in my body from the fireworks.
Right.
I can feel it, my heart beating.
Your heart will be okay.
That one is big. Big! More big? I should stop recording. Remember, I cannot record any longer than 15 minutes. A lot of big ones. And a lot of small ones. Really big ones. Woo!
What?
Can you hear them, like, can you hear these from, like, our house, or, like, Jordan's house, or Lisa's house?
That one was a huge one.
These are the expensive ones, Dave.